Hi everyone, happy Monday. Today we're going to be making passion fruit ice cream. The ingredients are simple. All you need is water, sugar, passion fruit pulp, salt, ice, and an ice cream maker. All the measurements will be posted at craftymonday.com. Enjoy! The first thing we're going to do is in a saucepan, pour the water and sugar, stir it a few times to make sure all the sugar is dissolved, and bring to a boil. Put the mixture aside to cool down for about 30 minutes. So my passion fruit pulp is still frozen, but that's okay because my water mixture is still a little bit warm, so the frozen pulp will help it cool it down. Normally the fruit pulp should not be frozen, but I forgot to take it out of the fridge. Combine the passion fruit with the sugar and water. Mix everything well. Because the fruit pulp is still frozen, I'm going to need to mash the pulp with 2 spoons until we don't have too many chunks, unless you like it. Now we're ready to pour our mixture to the ice cream machine. My ice cream machine, I found it very inexpensive. I paid about $20 and I love this little machine. Add layers of ice and salt until the entire bowl is covered. Then we leave the machine do the hard work for about 45 minutes. Using special ice cream containers. The first time using them. If you would like me to do a review of the ice cream containers, please let me know in the comments below. Here's how it looks fresh out of the machine. You can definitely serve it right away. I'm going to continue fill the container and try to make it smooth. So I grabbed a spoon without realizing it had holes, which it makes it difficult to smooth our ice cream, but I'm not gonna dirty another spoon. You can use this recipe with your favorite fruit. Give it a try, you will like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below if you tried this recipe and let me know which fruit you use. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.